One of the things the defense has said is that they wouldn't have been given the opportunity at trial to really question the law enforcement motives here, and saying that, you had talked about it earlier, that they were so keen on that Justin Ross Harris was an evil, despicable guy who, which, very might very well be, but that he was so intent on killing his son so that he could have this kind of single, free, sex-filled lifestyle. They claim it prejudiced the jury. They say that they wanted the opportunity to show that these officers, including, they make an allegation that the lead investigator lied on the stand. I mean, that's a pretty big thing to argue here. What do you think about that?
I think it's a very good defense argument. Proof. Here's what I mean, and here's the significance. When you have a government agent who is in charge of not only preserving evidence that they claim is incriminating, but whose duty it is to also find and preserve and give exculpatory evidence. That means the evidence that proves that the defendant is not guilty or shows the problems of the government's case. When you have someone whose job it is to do that, and now you can prove is willing to lie to you about that, that these policemen are willing to lie to you, they're paid to lie to you, and they did it in this case. And then you find out that a lot of that evidence that looked bad, smelled bad, and sounded bad wasn't even legit evidence. That is a very big defense because it shows to you how prejudicial and unfair the government can be.
All right, well, I'll tell you what, we're going to get more into this. We'll take a break. A new witness is going to be called to the stand in this Zoom hearing, and we'll break down what's going to happen.